What is up, everybody? My name is Josh. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be going inside using our Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. This recipe is good for any pressure cooker that you have. We're going to be making a green chicken pozole. It's a Mexican soup. It's absolutely delicious. You've seen us make it on our channel before. This recipe is special because you just dump everything into the pressure cooker and it's super, super easy. I think you guys are really going to like this. So let's just jump into the show. We're gonna go back inside the kitchen where the lighting and the shadows and the audio is all functified. But this is an awesome, awesome recipe. As it's starting to get cooler, you're gonna wanna make more soups, more good stuff. And this is easy. We're gonna be using chicken thighs today, a couple simple ingredients, some hominy, which you could buy at your local grocery store in a can. Put it all in your Instapot, your Ninja Foodi like we are, pressure cooker. Let's go inside and see what we're working with. Okay, welcome back to our kitchen. You're gonna need your pressure cooker of choice. We're using our Ninja Foodi XL. That thing is rad. You're also gonna need a blender. We got the Vitamix. Two things, that's it. All right, that is about a half a pound or 3/4 of a pound of tomatillos. That's 3 jalapenos. That's some garlic. That's a half an onion, a tablespoon of oregano, tablespoon of salt, some hominy, 2 cups chicken broth, some cilantro, and I'm using, you can use whatever you want. You can use bone-in, boneless, whatever. This just happens to be, if you disrupt the shadows, 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I just threw in here. Now you can use leg quarters, you can use, you can do whatever you want. You pressure cook for 30 minutes per pound. So this is 3 pounds. This is going to be an hour and a half of pressure cooking that. So this is basically your whole Mexican soup recipe. This is 2 cups of chicken broth. This is a tablespoon of salt, about a half a pound or 3/4 of a pound of tomatillos, 3 jalapenos, our garlic, and our onion. And that's it. You just throw it all in there and we're gonna get to pressure cooking. Lock it down. We're on pressure cook, high, and I wanna go 90 minutes, an hour and a half. All right. Make sure it's on sealed right here. We'll see you back when we're all done pressure cooking. Back outside, I think now is the appropriate time in the video that we need to thank our top tier YouTube channel members, our epic tier 3 channel members, and our tier 2 channel members. Everybody that's taken the time to like, subscribe, look at our Instagram, our Facebook, our YouTube. Everybody, thank you, thank you, thank you for supporting Babe and Mai's little social media cooking hobby. All right, let's jump back into the show. Turn that off and then let's... Ooh, yeah! Now we're taking all the tomatillos, we're taking the onion, we're taking the garlic, we're taking everything out of it, except for the chicken. Babe's gonna shred the chicken in a minute. Everything else is going to be in the blender. And the only thing that I've added into the blender is 2 cups of water.
We're gonna put the cilantro in there.
That's a whole bunch of cilantro.
Yeah.
Okay.
And oregano. And then we're going to blend. Here is our blended veggies. Our hominy, my favorite part.
I already drained that.
I could go a whole giant can of it. Okay. 15 minutes.
A lot of people would ask why you did not shred the chicken because it was already shreddable.
So it's super shreddable. I was just taking the spoon and kind of moving it around, and that was shredding it.
That you're supposed to tell me in your pajamas if it needs salt or what it needs or what.
Let's try it. Let's see.
So obviously the chicken's cooked. Does it need salt, pepper, what?
A little bit of salt, but that is.
A little bit of salt?
It was so good. Little
Yeah.
bit of salt, but that is so good. We're finishing this soup off. So we don't have any cabbage or radish or anything, cilantro, nothing like that. However, when you're ready to serve it, if you put cabbage, radish, cilantro, it would
Lime
be,
juice.
and lime juice, fantastic. We're just gonna serve it up like this because we've been cooking it for a while and we're tired. But it is delicious.